Hey guys, it's Chelsea here at Woody's Automotive Group, and today we are sitting in a brand new Jeep Cherokee, and we're going to go over the navigation system on the Uconnect 4. So you do have your homepage here on your nav system. You can select your where to, and it gives you all of these great services that you can check out. One of my favorites is the POI, so you can easily see your gas stations, your rest area, your ATM, and your bank, hotels nearby. So if you just click on that, it gives you all of the hotels nearby and within distance, so you can see how far away they are. Really awesome. Even gas stations, I love that feature too, so you can see how far or close those are away. You do have POI categories as well, so if you want to just see them at a, whoops, let me go back. So you can see all these at a better angle. Have your fire department, your library, your museum, and then going back here, you also have your trips, so you can create a new trip. If you need to look back at the route that you took previously, you can just go to your trips here and see that. You can also enter a junction for an intersection, and you have the point on the map as well, so you can easily see where you're at. And then you do have your home and work, so you can put in your address to your home location and your work location, so you can get that on the go. You do have your geo coordinates as well if you need to put those in there. And this is a really cool option. It's the trails. So you can start a recording at the route that you take from start to finish, and you can look back on that recording and see where your route was. That's really great for if you don't have service like on your phone. You can just go to that recording and see where you left off. And then here is your information for your navigation system. So you do have your traffic, so you can see relevant events and your replan route or your traffic overview. You have your where am I, so you can get an exact location of where you're at and your country information. And you have all of your different nav settings here. So you have your map setup that you can see 2D, 2D north up, or 3D. You also have your map appearance, so if you want just the default, you can select that, or you have all of these different displays that you can see. Just a more crystal clear image rather than the default mode, but you can see your terrain, all of that night vision setup. You also have your guidance here, so you can see your play voice guidance. It'll talk to you if you need to turn. You have your junction view, your signposts, your route progress bar, so you can set all of those to your liking. And you have your traffic, so you have use real-time traffic selected. You can provide detours on traffic events, confirm detours manually, all of that good stuff. And another great feature is the emergency section. So if you are in an emergency or your phone's dead or you don't have service, this is a great option. You can easily see your hospital centers around you. You can see your police departments if you need to make a call, and you can just select where am I, and you can get assistance quickly and efficiently, and you can save all of those if you need to. So yeah, that is the overview of the navigation system on the Uconnect 4C in the Jeep Cherokee. Stay tuned for more how-tos, and we'll see you in the next one.